video. Happy Kannada Rajyotsava. Today we are riding to Kailasagiri Betta in Kolar, nearby to Kolar. It is one of the places that is not very crowded and it is beautiful, filled with mountains on each side, and there's a temple up top and a short off-roading. So it is one of the beautiful destinations, I think around 60 to 65 kilometers from Bangalore. A pretty beautiful place. So me and my friends, we met up at the tin factory bus stand. So that's a common meeting spot for any of the bikers for that matter. So the path towards Kolar is filled with traffic as of now. You can see the influx of people because of the early morning market. People are bringing in fresh veggies, fresh fruits, imports from different states to Bangalore. Chintamani, yes, that is where we are going. Towards Chintamani, yes, exactly right. This has some cool off-roads, not really technical but doable by everyone, right? This is pretty simple off-roads. I don't think this is technical at all, and the Xpulse will just handle it with ease. And I have reached just like that actually. So there you go, Kailasagiri. The entire trail is going to be just like that to reach the temple up top. The roads are not great, but then it's pretty easy. Probably they're doing the patchwork for the roads here. Well, I see they've put up these rocks, right, to repair the roads. It's real slippery. The road is real slippery. Well, sitting on the bike and riding these kind of terrain, right, it gives me backache. So I would prefer to stand in these terrains. But then standing has limitations too, you know. Because if the arm position is not that great, then you develop the arm thumbs. And that's real painful, isn't it? Not sure about you, but then for me, it is real painful. The roads are pretty wide. It's fine. Awesome.